Hello, my name is Chris, and here is another quick and easy tutorial how to model a soda can. Let's start with creating a basic cylinder with 60 vertices. Bring it up by 1 unit in edit mode to match it with an origin point. Select upper edge and bevel it by 1 segment. Scale it a little bit to fit it better into the desired shape. Remember to use 3D cursor as your pivot point. Now we're gonna extrude it. Select extruded faces and extrude them again, but now scale it along normals by using Alt S shortcut. Extrude it again, insert inner faces and extrude them downwards. Now select the upper part we created and just fix scaling in Z axis a little bit. Now let's create the stand part. And now our low poly is ready. Now let's bevel segments couple of edges to prepare it for sub D modifier. Add subdivision modifier and shade it smooth. Lastly, we're gonna create a can end. Add a circle and scale it just like in the video with focus on proper X-axis scaling. Select edges of created shape and fill it. Extrude it upwards and finally rotate it tiny bit in X-axis. And we're done. If you got any questions, don't be afraid to ask them in the comment section below. I will try to answer to every single one of them. And if you want to support me and learn more about 3D modeling, hit the like and subscribe button. Alright, that's it. I see you in the next video.